So one thing that you would have observed is that everything now is every career, every industry is actually transforming itself to become a bit of hybrid with a huge dependency in technology. So, for example, education has transformed into the ed technology or ed tech or edutech. Health is being transformed into health tech. Sportsing being transformed via the help of sports technology. Similarly, finance is overtaken already by fintech as well. So it's about looking at mechanical industries, mechatronics. So you would need to look at the traditional industries and see how technology is transforming those industries. Now the thing is, with the technical disruption, it's like a wave. If you have done surfing, people who do surfing would be able to relate with that. So what happens is, if a wave is coming, you cannot fight it. You cannot say, oh, disruption is coming or I'm going to fight it. You cannot fight it. You cannot run away from it, because coming with towards you with a heavy speed, right? You cannot run away from it. The only thing that you can do is you can ride the wave itself. You can go with the flow. So this technological disruption is going to hit each and every industry. It's already there, right? It's a thing of the past now. And the whole industry and the whole job scenario is changing, and it is in favor of the people who are tech savvy. Now you don't need to be a coder or a developer, right? But you need to be able to understand and appreciate how technology is transforming those industries, gain skills accordingly as well, and then you will be in a much better position for the industry 4.0, as they call it.